Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to order from Shopee using cash on delivery or COD. If you prefer paying only when your package arrives, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Shopee app or website, browse the items you want, and tap Add to Cart. Once you're ready, tap the cart icon. Step 2. Select the items you want to order, then tap Checkout at the bottom. Step 3. Under Shipping option, make sure to pick a delivery method that says COD available or cash on delivery supported. Some shipping methods or sellers don't allow COD, so watch for that. Step 4. Scroll to Payment option and choose Cash on Delivery. Make sure it's selected before placing your order. Step 5. Double check everything: shipping address, items, and payment method. Then tap Place Order. That's it. Bonus tip: some sellers don't offer COD. If you don't see the option, try a different item or seller. Also, avoid canceling too many COD orders, or Shopee might disable the option for your account. And that's how you do cash on delivery on Shopee. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple step-by-step guides. See you next time!